Hey, it's your girl Yana. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on Simply Crowned Organics. I got the brand ambassador bundle. I also purchased other items on the side to use. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Wow, whoa, oh.
All I'm doing here is wetting my hair, and I did detangle my hair before I started washing my hair. So I'm trying something new, which is working in sections. I'll be working in 4 sections, and I started from top to bottom, and I already did half off camera, so this is the other half. And I'm gonna go in with their shampoo. All of their products are natural and organic, hint their name. So all I'm gonna do is focus on the scalp when it comes to their shampoo. This product has a very nice lather. Next, I'm finna go in with my scalp massager. I did kind of notice the shampoo left my hair kind of dry, but I think in a more clean way and more not stripping my hair. I am shampooing my hair twice due to the fact that I had a lot of nasty gel buildup, so yeah. After I finished shampooing, I did go in with her hydrating hair mask. I didn't show it in the video due to the fact that the label did mess up, but I will link it down in the description box below. Here I am just detangling it and making sure I get every strand just about. Next, I'll do a 2-strand twist and put it back in the section so I can work on my next one. After I do all my sections and put the mask in, I put this plastic cap and I let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I'm gonna brush it out one more time and then rinse it all out. Next, I will be going in with the conditioner. I am pretty heavy when it comes to conditioner, so all I'm doing is lathering it up and using my detangler brush to work it through every strand. After that, I tie it up and leave it in for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I go in and rinse it out. I don't rinse it out completely to the point where my hair feels stripped, but I do rinse it out enough. I will be using my microfiber towel, but you can go in with any t-shirt you have. Next, I will be going in with their hair cream, and this is what it looks like. So when I started applying it on my hair, I was like, why does it smell like peppermint? And then I did read the label. I was like, oh my gosh, I never had a product with peppermint in it. Let me rephrase that. I meant like peppermint smell. All I'm doing here is really working that cream in there and just keep detangling it. Next, I'll be going in with a Coco-Shea hair butter. This is what it looks like. Ignore my little breakout, but anyways, I'm gonna be working the products in just like the cream. After that, I'm a 2-strand twist it and tie it back up so I can work on the rest of my hair. Here's the last section, and all I'm gonna be doing is repeating the process that I did to my entire hair. After that, I ended up taking all the twist out and I'm going in with this Tangle Teaser. This is my first time using it and I actually like it. Next, I will be going in with this diffuser. This is my first time using a diffuser and my curls aren't defined due to the fact that I use no types of gel, just all their products, and I really just wanted my hair dried ASAP. Pronto. Now. Not tomorrow, now. After I dry the rest of my hair, I then pick it out just a little bit just to make it a little puffy. Here are the results. I will be using this product for a twist out, but hopefully you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.